Restoring sending privileges on TikTok can help you reconnect with friends and share content more freely. Follow these steps to regain your sending privileges. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your personal profile page. Step 3. Check account settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 dots with the menu icon in the top right corner to access your account settings and privacy options. Step 4. Review privacy settings. Navigate to the privacy section and look for options related to direct messages and sending privileges. Ensure that your settings allow for sending messages. Step 5. Appeal or contact support. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on TikTok. If issues persist, consider checking for app updates or reinstalling the app.